If the higher the dependency ratio, economic development will be less, and if the dependency ratio is less, then the economic development will be more. Understood? So we have seen which are, I said that infant mortality rate, natural increase rate, another we have seen age structure, and we have seen also crude birth rate. The nation having high crude birth rate, simply it is not an underdeveloped nation. Having in a moderate come birth rate ho, that is known as what? Developed nation. And then high birth rate is an underdeveloped and developing. Average life expectancy, low life expectancy अभी दिखाया था. In the nation having low life, यहाँ पे क्या दिख रहा है? High life expectancy. They are living up to the 82, 85, 86. Understood? But in the India, what is the life expectancy? Average life expectancy? Huh? 66. मेल का बता रहे हो कि फीमेल का बता रहे हो? 68, 69 समथिंग इट इज फॉर द एवरेज लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी. उसमें 65 जो है वो मेल की लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी, एंड फीमेल इज 72 years. द फीमेल लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी इज मोर देन मेल. आई सेड दैट तो average life expectancy in any nation where the life expectancy is above 85, something like this, that is in a developed nation, and where the life expectancy is low, it is in a developing nation. So development criteria. Another, I said that second point, economic development is directly proportional to what is, I said that average life expectancy. Economic development means life expectancy will be high, economic development will be high. Life expectancy is low, it means economic development will be low. And then it is, I said that epidemiological transition in the form of occurrences, distribution and control of diseases. Diseases का occurrence होना, distribution and control. Occurrence, distribution and control. Epidemiological transition. Epidemiological transition means due to health facility the population structure is changing. Epidemiological transition due to health facility. और आपको एक population and settlement में demographic transition model एक आपका क्या होता है, models and theories. In this one आप देखोगे कि second, first it is in a which phase? What is the first phase of demographic transition model? तो उसको क्या कहते हैं? What it is known as? High birth rate, high death rate. Means birth rate is high, death rate is high. It is an underdeveloped nation. Means population growth is zero. Natural increase rate is what? Less. Stationary, and it is known as a high stationary stage. It is known as high stationary stage. Second one, जैसे ही हमारे यहाँ suppose 1920s, 1930s, 1940s, 1950s में कैसा था? What is the problem? What we have? High birth rate and high death rate. Therefore the population को क्या मैं बोलूँगा? Finally population is what? Population is what? Stationary. If the death rate is high, I said that suppose 70 death rate, crude birth rate is 70, and then 68 crude death rate, then the natural increase is 2. So it is in a stationary, high stationary stage. Thereafter suddenly it is a high stationary stage. Second में क्या हुआ? I said that facility is increased, medical facility, and that becomes 78 and it becomes 45. Death rate reduced, and it is known as, it is in a high stationary, and it is known as early expanding. Population अब increase करने लग जाएगा. Population will start increase. In these two cases, in both these two cases, population is what? It is an underdeveloped and it is in a developing nation. Third stage, I said that education, ये birth rate is CBR and CDR. So birth rate now, death rate धीरे धीरे और it decrease हो गया, and that it goes to suppose 20, and then education and health help us to what is our crude birth rate, that becomes suppose 38. So finally we are 80. हमने क्रूड बर्थ रेट तो डिक्रीज कर दिया एंड क्रूड डेथ रेट हैज आल्सो डिक्रीज्ड. लेकिन इस केस में पहले की जो पॉपुलेशन है, जो आज की जो 10 इयर्स ओल्ड हैं, 15 साल के बाद क्या हो जाएंगे? रिप्रोडक्टिव एज ग्रुप में आ जाएंगे. एंड इफ दैट एज ग्रुप, हमने सपोज करो कि अभी हमने पॉपुलेशन को शांत कर दिया, बर्थ रेट एंड रेट, लेकिन जो ऑलरेडी पॉपुलेशन विच हैज कम, दे विल बी रेडी टू मल्टीप्लाई इन लार्ज नंबर. सो जो ऑलरेडी यहां से जो आ चुकी है इस रीजन में, so यहाँ पर population will keep on coming and it is known as a late expanding. It is known as what? Late expanding stage. And then fourth one, now is slowly and slowly it become 12 and it is also becoming, I said that 14. Crude birth rate become 14 and 12. It means birth rate is low and death rate is also very low. And now population becomes stationary and it is known as which? लो स्टेशनरी स्टेज. और इसको बोलते हैं, सो दिस टू स्टेजेस आर, फर्स्ट स्टेज इज ऑलवेज फॉर अंडरडेवलप्ड, डेवलपिंग, एंड दिस सेकंड एंड थर्ड स्टेज, अर्ली एक्सपैंडिंग एंड लेट एक्सपैंडिंग, इट इज अंडर द डेवलपिंग. एंड देन वेयर द बर्थ रेट इज लो एंड डेथ रेट इज लो, it is, I said that, developed. Understood? तो epidemiological transition, तो इंडिया इज फेसिंग, कहां पे इंडिया ने फेस किया है epidemiological transition? Health facilities started coming, yes or not? Health facility started coming. So first death rate reduced, और जैसे जैसे health हुआ, we become very careful. Okay, पहले लोग क्यों, why do the population को increase करते थे? पहला एक तो था बच्चा कुछ दिन के बाद मर गया, अगेन एक पॉपुलेशन बढ़ा रहे थे. They keep on increasing. One of the factors is also that a death rate is also there, therefore keep on producing the child. And there is no education, there is no recreation and all. The population बढ़ाने पे लगे हुए थे. लेकिन slowly and slowly health and education reduces the birth rate also. But further जब quaternary and quinary sector started coming and tertiary sector is also very much important, then automatically communication of all kind. आज के डेट में क्या, गवर्नमेंट इज डूइंग स्वच्छ भारत, गवर्नमेंट इज डूइंग एनीथिंग, इट इज कम्युनिकेटेड टू एवरीवन, मोस्ट ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन, then we can be able to develop. And if it is not able to communicate to everyone, it cannot be. तो अभी धीरे धीरे हमारा कम्युनिकेशन क्या है, हेल्थ रिलेटेड, चाइल्ड बर्थ रिलेटेड, वी आर नॉट एबल टू कम्युनिकेट टू द एवरीवन. कम्युनिकेशन इज इन अ काइंड ऑफ व्हाट? टर्शरी सेक्टर. आज के डेट में इंटरनेट इज मीडिया. Today it is in a technology and other form, that is in a media in the form of TV, radio, channels and everything. So different is in a kind of what? Communication giving to the people, and then tertiary sector helping people to know about child होना चाहिए, नहीं होना चाहिए, इससे क्या problem हो सकता है. When they realize this, suddenly it comes into the developed, and it will take time for India to come onto it. So developed again. Epidemiological transition in the form of occurrences, distribution and then control of diseases. Occurrence of diseases, then उसके बाद distribution and then control करना. And it will taking India from the early expanding to late expanding stage. So high stationary stage where the high birth rate, high death rate, and early expanding death rate reduced, birth rate is continued, and late expanding birth rate is started reducing, death rate is still reducing slowly and slowly. So late expanding population is keep on increasing, and then I said that low stationary stage, the developed nation, low birth rate, low death rate. So we have seen demographic measures. Which measures we have seen? So economic measures, social measures, demographic measures determining this one. Other measures, purchasing power parity and human development index. Which one I said that? Purchasing power parity means relative value of currencies. Relative value of currencies. Purchasing power parity. It is not like I said that जो अब हम लोग देखते हैं, if I am saying that 66 rupees is equivalent to $1, it is not actually parity means equal. It is not actually parity between USA and India. But if I am saying that suppose I am purchasing a bread at 25 rupees, bread I am purchasing at 25 rupees and they are purchasing at, I said that $5, then $1 value is equals to what I said that 5 rupees. Understood? And suppose India has I said that $1 trillion money, and then they have on the basis of 5 rupees, and they have, I said that $20 trillion, then I will divide it by 5 and it will become $4 trillion. तो हमारे से कितना ज्यादा है? केवल 4 times. Understood? So he is in a developed. Slowly India is also developing. So I said that it is determining the value of goods. Understood? तो हमारे पास जितनी मनी है, यदि हमारे पास suppose in the rupees I am talking about 100 rupees, तो मैं इसको डिवाइड कर दूंगा 5 से, it will become equal to $20. क्योंकि हमने क्या निकाला? $1 equals to 5 rupees on the basis of the products. And then finally purchasing power parity पे India which position पे आता है? In which position? हाँ? First कौन है? First is which one? कौन है? China, USA, जापान, देन इंडिया. क्लियर? किस पोजीशन पे आता है? जापान भी आता है. इंडिया आ गया अभी, जापान पीछे हो गया क्या? पता नहीं.